Hello, welcome to Coco Grace Kitchen. Welcome. It's not over, and so God says so. It's not over. Hang on. It's not over yet. God is in control. Yeah, we have our new dish today. We're doing a gizzard. We are doing gizzard, gingembre, in French, and here I just put, I squeeze just say half of fresh lemon, and half we'll put it after, and some stem coriander. Stem of coriander, and have some coriander here. We will put it after, just close to the end, and red and green peppers, and one scotch bonnet, and we have here ginger, garlic, onions, fresh tomato, sage, aroma, and mixed herb, and our salt. But normally I'm not putting a salt because our aroma has a salt. We'll try. If it's not enough, then we can add salt. But meanwhile, let us just like we are cooking, steaming it or boiling, because I'm not putting water, is why I'm calling it steaming. Let the gizzard bring the gizzard bring its own sauce first, then we will add water. But meanwhile, let me put a little bit some ginger. No, that one was a garlic, sorry. Garlic and ginger to cook with it, and because we are using aroma as a salt, because it's salty anyway. Then after turning into is bring its own water, then we add some more water just to tenderize the meat. If our meat is tender, then will come another stage of frying and adding the tomato and everything. Thank you very much, and I'll tell you the story of where we are going. I'll tell you the story of ginger in my house when we were growing up, in my parents' house. Thank you. Our gizzard are ready. Look at the water. See, I need only like a few spoon or two. Then we'll fry them. I'm putting them in this plate for us to fry them. Meanwhile, let me put aside. Oil for onions. I'll fry the onion. No, I'll fry the gizzard. Sorry, the gizzard first. When the gizzard are ready, then we'll put the onion and I think I'm ready. Let me put the garlic. The garlic and the ginger. When we boil with the ginger as well. I forgot the story I wanted to tell about this. When I was growing up in my country Angola, but I'm not saying the whole Angola. No, and in Africa, you can be the same country, but we have a lot of different part of cities, and we have the same city, we can have 4 or 5 dialects. Even though people from the same city sometimes they do sometimes sound alike, or they do sound they look like, you will know that this is that from north, this from east, you will know, or for the way they behave, or the way we are so different, even though we are the same country. It's the same like here in Europe as well. You find the Londoner behave with other way, the accent is different with the Manchester, with the Liverpool. It's all different. They're the same in Africa as well. Yeah. But my house, or in my family, or where the city I was growing, there's the gizzard. Now let us add now tomato, mix it. You change the color because I mix it with the onions, fried onions. I just made the fried onions. Yeah. Let us continue cooking. Yeah. Then we used to put my pepper. The gizzard, at that time I was growing, but now they have gizzard. They have a box of gizzard, you can buy a lot. But the time I was growing, there were no bag of, they were not selling like a kilo of gizzard. No, you won't find it. They were not even selling gizzard. Gizzard, you will find it in a chicken. If you have your own chicken, you want to eat one chicken at home, then you have your gizzard. Yeah, like the 1 or 2. Even when I came to Europe, at the time I came, there were no gizzard in the market. You will not find it. Sometimes if you say you go to the butcher, they want to prepare the chicken for you. Sometimes they want to throw it away. You would say that, oh no, we eat it. Sometimes, especially European, I'm not saying from Eastern Europe, they are different as well. But here where I am, no, they were like they will look at you like a stranger. Why? It's like it's famine or what? You don't have food. They say no, this is our like especially like it's something that's really really important to eat. Then in my house, my mom when they kill like they slaughter. Sorry, say kill. They slaughter the chicken. The gizzard was only for the visitor. If you slaughter the chicken, you have a special visitor, the gizzard was for them. To know that you people slaughter the chicken for them, you know, like to impress your guests. You have to give them you have to kill you have to slaughter the chicken and put the gizzard inside the plate where they will eat. They have to see the gizzard at the end here. They have to see that you did put the gizzard. Then they will respect that. Oh, when we went to someone's house, they just say give us the slaughter chicken for us. But if there is if you can give them the whole chicken, but if they don't find gizzard, it's like you don't respect them. That one was in the wedding for the groom or for the in-laws when they come. But in my house was like when my sister got married, I was the second in the family, like older. Sometimes they used to give it to me. But mama and dad, they didn't bother. But the other parent, now that one have to give it to your parent. But for us, they used to give it to to the older son or daughter who's in the house. Let's put now our pepper and coriander here. was especially if they give you gizzard to eat. Wow! Even your sibling, they'll be so envy of you. You'll be so proud eating gizzard. When I came here, there were no gizzard, but after when I start seeing people start sending gizzard now, boxes. Oh, if I buy gizzard, I will eat it till my jaw will be tired of it. Because the way I'm telling the story today, long time I ate it now. Oh, I became like a fed up of it. That I said I have a story to tell. I don't think it's only me, maybe many people, where some people in Africa. I'm not saying the whole Africa, I'm not saying the whole of Angola, no. I'm not saying the whole of my region, no. But a part of it, we used to do like that. You cannot slaughter the chicken, prepare, cook without putting the gizzard. No, you have to put it a certain way. If you are presenting on the table for men or for your in-laws, they have to see it. You have to put it there. Even themselves, they will be so, they will have that curiosity to search it. They will not search it for long because you just put it away that they have to see it. That was my story. And now we don't bother. It's not because we didn't have a food or there were no food. No. It was like a customer. It was like the way our mom, they brought them because they were not a lot of gizzard. They were not selling them a lot like now. But now, even in Africa, you find out they are now. They are now. It's not, I think so, it's not something now you can find it like only for visitor. No, for special visitor. I don't think so now. Because even the goat, to slaughter the goat in the house, has to have like a wedding or something big in a family. But now people, they're slaughtering just for barbecue, just for weekend, just to eat something. Everything has changed. Thank you very much. That was my story. Thank you. And we put everything. Now our lemon. Me and my lemon. Hey. Yeah. I'll add a little bit some water just to make the pepper. We don't need really sauce. It's just for the pepper to be softened a little bit. We'll leave it just 5 minutes and it's fine. Yeah, our gizzard already. You see, there's no really sauce. We want to eat it like that. Serve now. Wow. Oh. The smell of it. The smell and the kick of lemon. Wow. Very nice. Because it's not really dry. It's not as well water like a sauce, no. That's it for the rice or the fufu, the one I ate last time. You can eat with it. Me, I'm eating it with it today. Sometimes when I eat it, when I see it, like I think I honor my mom. I think about my mom. Sometimes my sister will say, the young one, you're giving only her. Me, no, because she's older. You see, because she's older. Let me just remove the pan, then let us clean a little bit the plate with the kitchen tissue. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. How beautiful. Let us display some papers. That's why I blended my onions, because I have a paper to display. I didn't want to have it too much thing going on, too busy. No. Oh, look at now. You see, my light is not helping. Thank you very much. Regardez comme c'est bon. Regardez comme c'est bon, comme c'est bon. Wow. Regarde. Look how it looks so nice. Oh, olha como sou. Tá bem bom, é bom, é bom, é bom. Mais custodio. Oh, bem doce. It's the light. My light is making like a shadow. Thank you very much. Thank you for cooking with me. Thank you for watching. This is our gizzard. Yeah, a little bit like a fry, no sauce, not dry, but it's fine to eat. It's very lovely. Thank you very much. You can eat with the rice, if with the fufu, if you have some like a vegetable aside, you can eat okra, sukuma wiki, like a kale, yeah. Anything, pondu, cassava, leaf, anything, beans, you have a side, this will be like a side dish. But to me, I'll eat it with by its own like that. Very nice. Thank you very much. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Tell a friend to subscribe. Thank you for everyone who are watching. Thank you very much. You are in my heart and in my prayer. Thank you. Je vous aime beaucoup. Eviamo. Nanipenda sana. Alingi bino mingi. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.